This isn't about writing a book or contributing to a book. It's really contributing to kind of a philosophy about how you would teach and help students learn accounting.
For many students, the accounting course is the most challenging course they're going to take. And that ultimately what we're trying to accomplish is to get them through the course successfully.
There are a lot of different students out there that have all different types of learning styles, and what works for one may not work for the other. You have to be flexible in terms of the way you present the material.
It's not just a book, it's a series of books, and it's a set of books that really are designed to provide solutions that work regardless of an instructor's philosophy or how they approach their classes. And it goes from introductory level books to intermediate and upper level books.
I think it would be somewhat difficult to just be an author without being a teacher. I obviously try out a number of the types of things that I'm going to write about with the class through the exercises and problems and discussions that we have in class.
We have exercises and activities that are designed to get students to think about the underlying concepts that drive the accounting, because those are generalizable. And so, students are going to encounter a transaction where there may not be an accounting rule written for that transaction, but they need to solve that problem and to apply those concepts.
There have been more changes in the last 5 years than there were in the previous 100. And the next 5 is going to be even greater. And again, you have to be into it. You have to have a commitment to that because the instructors, the students, are looking for you to get them through that, to get through that period of change.
And so we try to maintain that same philosophy about making sure students understand what it is they're accounting for, and then building a framework for them to learn how to apply concepts to the things that they're accounting for.
Students are enjoying the technology as much as they are is because there have been so many different people who have been so committed to trying to make this thing work, to make it something that really does help the student.
We've heard lots of examples where students will use Wiley Plus for the introductory accounting class and pretty much demand that they get it again in intermediate. I mean, that has been such a powerful support element to the book for introductory accounting, that those students see the value of that intermediate. And we all work together to make sure that that experience works just as well in intermediate as it did in introductory.